Welcome back to my channel Eat, Live and Love. So I would be talking about how you can become more organized. Now this is again a very highly requested video because a lot of you told me that I should do a video on how to become more organized. Now I should be the last person to talk about it, but since I am also trying my level best to be more organized as possible. That's why I thought that I should share my strategies and tips with you all. Maybe this would be helpful. And so today's video is all about how to be more organized. Now it's very easy to think about being organized, but it's actually pretty hard to be organized. But with proper, solid, healthy routine and with some organizational habits, you can become more organized and you will improve day by day. As I am also trying to be more organized, I am following certain tips and tricks which will eventually help me being a more organized kind of a person. You know, organization also helps you to be more successful in professional as well as in personal life, because if you're organized, then you can value your time, then you can properly organize your daily routine, you can save more time, and these helps in so many ways. So it's very important that you are organized, and that's the whole motive of making this video. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Now the first tip I want to give you is write down everything. Now I use my phone, I use certain apps like Evernote, or I use my reminder application to remember things. I write down everything, to-do list and everything that I have to do that day. I put it down either on notes. You can also put it down either on your paper, or you can use mobile applications, whatever suits you. So the use of this is that you don't have to remember everything. You can just write it down. You don't have to remember and then remind yourself and then do the work. You just have to look at the to-do list and do the stuffs that you're supposed to do, and that will be much more organized and you won't forget anything. You will be leading a much more organized life. So yeah, tip number 2 is make backups of everything. Now make backups for your computer files, scan your passport, your documents and everything, and put it in a separate secure folder. So even if anything is lost, you'll be able to have access over that, and you don't need to search everywhere around the house to find them. And it's very, very important and a must thing to do. So if everything important is there in a secure document or in a folder, then you won't have to feel worried about that, and you will be much more calmer, and you will be much more organized, and everything will be sorted. So yeah, a third tip is very important, especially for me, that is put things in place. Now if you take anything from somewhere, then please put them back in places. That saves you a lot of time. Especially what I used to do is that maybe for example, I needed a diary. I took them from the place that it was, and then made notes and something, and then kept it in a different place. So what happened is that the next time I had to look for the diary everywhere. But if you use a particular thing and then keep it in the right place, then you don't have to worry about searching and then wasting time. You will just find the right thing in the right place, and that will make everything so easier and saves up a lot of time. You don't have to look everywhere, and you will become a much more organized person. So this is a very, very important tip, especially for me. Number 4 is keep at least one tidy haven. Now it's impossible for anyone to keep each and every spot in your house spotless, because that's next to impossible. But try to keep at least one place clutter free, and try to also devote 1 hour or so to declutter the spaces that are already cluttered. That makes the whole process much more easier. If I have to give my example, then I would say that I try to keep my desk clean. Whenever I look at my desk, it's clean, and it increases my productivity, and it makes me feel so much good about myself. And that also helps in keeping the other places clean, because that acts as inspiration for me, because I have kept that place clean, so I try to keep the other places clean as well. So that's the kind of motivation that everyone requires. So at least try to keep one space in your entire house clean. So yeah. Number 5 is invest in storage, which is very important. Try to buy more storage and keep things in separate storages and put a name tag on it so that it's easier to find. I have started doing this and this helps a lot. And investing in storages helps to put similar things in a place, and it helps a lot and saves a lot of time. And the next point is again related to the last one, which is invest in folders. Folders are lifesavers, and try to buy as much as folders as possible, and again write names on top of the folders and put similar documents in the folders, and that will help in so many ways. Again, you don't have to worry about the documents because you know which document is in which folder, and the name of the folder will be on the top of the folder, so it's easier to find and you will be much more organized. You don't have to worry about documents or anything else, and which is very, very important. You will feel much more relaxed and everything will be sorted. The next tip is try to put things away immediately. Now this is something which we don't do always. If a certain thing you don't need ever, if you feel like that, then please put them away, give them or donate them to someone, because you don't need that, but it's taking up a lot of space in your place. So try to put away things which you don't require anymore, and try to keep that place a clutter free one, because if, for example, if you don't need a particular dress, then give them away. There are so many people around us who needs clothes, or you can donate them, you can give them to your house help. In that way it will also be beneficial for them, and also it will be beneficial for you because you have saved some space, and also they are in dire need of these dresses and salwars and saris, so give them to those people who are in need. So yeah, the last point is learn to delegate cleaning and organizational tasks. Now make a to-do list and then try to allot each task to each family member. Try to allot task for your spouse, for your children, for your parents. In that way everything will be divided. No one needs to worry about doing the whole thing at a single point of time. They can do their portion at whichever time they prefer. So in that way the whole house will be clean all the time, and everything will be sorted. So you can just divide the work and you will be much more organized. The place will be much more clutter free and organized, and your life will be sorted. So these are the few tips and tricks which I have started doing, and it helps a lot. So that's why I thought of doing this video with you. Hope this video helps. So yeah, that's it for this video. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also please comment below, that would make my day. And stay tuned in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed and stay positive. Bye.